Today, a small house with special history got in the hands of LaLiLu Craft. We'll have to make a mini pastry shop out of hundreds of small details. Many white panels. These are pieces of a stand. Glue them like this. Then add partitions. It's easy to understand. Above the bottom drawer, there is enough place for shelves and different small things. Add a decorative insert. Tiny pieces will serve as handles. Now the sweets will be protected from sunlight. It's time for the floor. Did you notice? Apart from laminate, there are also tiles. Glue part of wallpapers to a piece of the wall. In human homes, we would use plasterboard. But even toy fiber boards give us an opportunity to make complex designs. A team of workers added wallpapers. It's time to show what our pastry shop does. They create handmade chocolate. It's getting more and more interesting. Cover the window frame with a piece of clear plastic. An arc window took its place. Cover the walls with vintage signs and tasty photos of desserts. When the customer gets inside, he can see lots of treats. Join the pieces of polished veneer sheets. Cover with a tabletop. The stand took its place near the entrance. Join a couple of decorative beads. A glass vase for candy looks very pretty. And dolls want to have candy right now. How can you say no to chocolate bars with the sweetest coffee beans in Lalatown? Fold a tiny piece according to the folding lines. Even a tiny candy box can lift up your mood. Start working on the garlands. Put triangle flags on a rope. The place near a window became even comfier. Here are new boxes. There can never be too many boxes when it comes to gifts. A set of treats is the best choice for sweet lovers. It's tasty and cute. Put it on a stand. The clients need to see the whole range. Hey. Make small cardboard boxes for chocolate. The sweets are put in a row. A silicone pipe will serve as a glass bottle. Fill it with chocolate paste. And glue on a label. Cover with gold tin foil. The bottles are already on the shelf. The stand is filled with chocolate to the top. Everyone can find something he likes. Now let's make a showcase. Join the corners. Make a frame with a tabletop. Miniature shelves are covered with glass. Add a tasty print. What's in there? Chocolate boxes, tastiest cookies, and great candy. The showcase maintains the right temperature. For the ones who don't have a favorite flavor, we created a set of different candy. There are tasty lollipops on thin legs. Desserts and a jelly are going behind the glass. It's perfectly clean in the chocolate shop. and there is an aroma of cocoa with nuts. Make a street showcase. Tall glass and art, how beautiful! There are tender lacy ribbons on top. It's a quiet corner of sweets and coziness. Remove the protective tape, leaving a sticky sheet. Cover with skewers around the perimeter. Make the frame voluminous. Join the beads to make lamps. Pull the wires of LED bulbs through. The wiring is ready. The sign should draw customers' attention. Our pastry shop has a vintage style. Make overhang brackets. Add lights and cover a LED bulb under a round candy box. Wow, it really sparkles! You can see this sign from afar. Install streetlights on a skewer support. Twist wires. Attach them to the charging block. Ask your parents to help. When it gets dark, the light fills the pastry shop with real magic. Welcome! What a nice mat! Make doors. They are cute too. Install the canopies on the ledges. Add a white fence. The advertising works, especially when it's right near the entrance. You look at the sign and already want to come in.
Welcome!
Make a tray. Two pairs of wheels, light ruching, and a cute color. It's perfect to attract clients. A fresh cake and a box of candy will get the attention of hungry tourists. And if you want to take some sweets home, we have special designer bags. Cut pieces of wire and give them the right shape. Chairs got new seats. Now there is a table with an umbrella too, so customers can hide from the sun. Leave the menu for future clients. The dog came when he heard the smell of chocolate. Baby, you can't have real chocolate. But our pastry shop has special chocolate for dogs. Oh, so tasty! The dog can't wait to get inside. Aw, buddy, you're too big. Bark! Then I'll be guarding your pastry shop like I do my bone. We have a real heaven for sweet lovers. A miniature chocolate shop is ready to open its doors to people who love cookies, candies, and cocoa beans. From the early morning to the late evening, you can meet your friend and have a cup of cocoa in our shop. And you can see the nightfall while sitting on a comfy terrace with streetlights. Welcome to a small shop where chocolate rules.